Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to update user details in Keycloak using the admin REST API. So let's get started. Now I already have a Keycloak instance running with the help of this command on my local system using Docker. So I just need to run this command which is there. Then all we need to do, once it is finished running, just go to localhost /8080. okay, and here we have to enter the username and password as admin. Click on sign in. Now first we need to create, unfortunately, a client, because we need to generate an access token. For that we require a client. The realm, I am keeping it as master realm, which is present by default, so don't touch it. Just go to clients, click on create client. Client ID will be my client. Okay, then I'll just click on next. I'll enable client authentication. I'll enable direct access grant. I'll click on next again, and then I'll just click on save. Then just go to credentials and just copy these credentials. Now go to Postman. First go to this particular API, and here we have to use so my API is hosted on localhost /8080, right? That's why this is the domain. If you have different domain, you'll have to change it over here. /realm, this should be the realm name. Again, we are using the default realm, which is master. /protocol /openid-connect /token, and here we pass the client ID, which is my client in my case. Here I'll just paste the client secret. Inside username and password, it is admin, and grant type is also password. Then I'll just click on send, and here you can see we have received the access token. Now do note, by default the access token is only valid for 1 minute, but you can change this time as well. Now let's go to this particular API, and for now I only have one user inside my database, right? Inside our Keycloak database, which is admin. I have not created a new user, so I will just update our admin user only. So http://localhost /8080/admin/realm, and here it should be the realm name, which is master /users, and here we need to pass the user ID as well. So I'll just go to users. I'll just select this user. This is the user ID. I'll copy this and I'll just paste it over here. Now what we need to change, if you see this particular user, it does not have the first name, last name, does not have the email as well. That's what I'm changing. And by default I think the enable status is true. So here you can see the enable status is true, so I won't change that. Let's just ignore that. I mean we can make it true as well, but hopefully you got the point. Okay, then just go to headers, and here we have to, inside the authorization, we need to add the access token, right? So I'll just come back to the first API. I'll just click on send, and from this I'll just copy this particular thing, this entire thing. I'll just do command C. I'll come over here, I'll just do command V, and I'll just click on send, and here you can see we are getting 204. That means the user has been updated properly. We don't get any response as such, but the status code is 204. That's an indication that it was success, given that this is a put request. Then let's come over here and just refresh, and here you can see the first name is new first name, last name is new last name, and this is the email. So hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.